everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today's video is going to be extremely useful for those who are looking for a fast, stable, and secure VPN solution. In this tutorial, I will guide you step by step on how to download, install, and properly configure Nur Tunnel VPN for smooth and unlimited browsing. Make sure you watch the video till the end so you do not miss any important step. First, open any browser on your mobile phone, such as Chrome or any other browser you prefer. In the search bar, type sshssltunnel and press enter. From the search results, open the official SSHSL website. Once the website is loaded, you will see its homepage. Tap on the menu icon and from the list of options, select Free VPN. This will take you to the VPN section of the website. On the VPN page, you will see a list of different VPN applications. From this list, find and tap on Nur Tunnel VPN. After selecting Nur Tunnel VPN, tap on the Install button to start downloading the application. The download and installation process may take a few minutes, so please wait until it is completed. Once the installation is finished, you will see the Open button. Tap on Open to launch Nur Tunnel VPN. When Nur Tunnel VPN opens, you will be redirected to its home screen. It may ask for notification permission. You can allow it or skip it, depending on your preference. Now, make sure your mobile data is turned on, because the VPN needs internet access to load and update its servers. When the servers are updated, the VPN may restart automatically. This is normal, so just wait a few seconds. Now let me explain the interface of Nur Tunnel VPN. This VPN mainly has two important sections. One section is for selecting servers, and the other section is for choosing protocols and connection methods. To select a server, tap on the server section, and you will see a list of available locations. Choose any server according to your preference. You can change the server at any time. After selecting the server, tap on the Tweaks option. Here, you will see a list of built-in tweaks and protocols. Scroll through the list and select the one that works best for you. If you want to use custom settings, you can create your own tweak by giving it a name, selecting a protocol type, and adding SNI if you are using SSL. You can also experiment with other settings based on your network. Once everything is set, go back to the home screen. You will see a large Start button. Tap on it to connect Nur Tunnel VPN. Within a few seconds, your VPN will be connected and you can start browsing securely and freely. That's it for today's tutorial. I hope this guide helped you understand how to use Nur Tunnel VPN properly. If you found this video useful, please like the video, share it with your friends,